Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Handling fractions can be really tricky, and if you only follow the traditional approach, this will consume a lot of time. So from class 6th onwards, you need to study and learn those special tricks, special methods which help you in handling the fractions and the mixed numbers easily. This is lecture 26 of the series of videos for my class 6 students, and I'm sure this is benefiting you a great deal, and all of you are downloading the 60 question practice PDFs which I have been posting in the description box below. So even for this video, I have posted the descriptive practice worksheet which you can download from the link below. Also, let me tell you about the best offers going on for the ebook of short tricks, which contains over 350 short tricks of 24 different topics. If you are preparing for any CBSE exam, or if you are preparing for any quantitative aptitude government exam, then this ebook of short tricks is going to work out wonders for you, because you can develop 10 times faster speed of calculation using these short tricks. 24 different topics neatly typed in 338 pages. It comes with video support also. So if you don't understand anything, just click the link and watch the video. You will understand the concept. Likewise, we have the reasoning course with the video support. 15 different topics of verbal reasoning covered by using videos, and the CBSE worksheets. We have been working so hard on this. Class 6, class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, we have practice worksheets for maths and science. So WhatsApp 9896369963 for getting a copy of all those material. A very nominal costing material. So if you're willing to invest little bit on your education, you can pay a visit to www.sureshagarwal.in. That's the website on which I upload all the PDFs. Obviously, the link is given in the description, so you can click that and download the 60 question practice PDF based on this topic. Let's see the questions in hand now. When we start learning the subtraction of unlike fractions, just like if you have to subtract 1/3 from 4/7, so the first thing students should know that if you're subtracting something from something, the second uh, fraction has to be written first. So 4/7 minus 1/3. You know the butterfly method, right? 7 and 3 are co-prime. 7 and 3 are co-prime means they don't have any other common factor except 1. Their highest common factor is 1. So if the highest common factor of the denominators is 1, then you can find the difference between the two fractions, within say 1 second or 2 seconds. Just by looking at the fractions, you can tell the answer. That's called the butterfly method. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 1 times 7 is 7, and divided by 7 times 3 is 21. And there we go. The answer for the question is 5 upon 21. You know why we could do that so easily? Because we are smart enough to apply some basic short tricks to subtract fractions. Likewise, one more example. If you have to subtract 2 by 15 from 1/4, so 1/4 has to be written first, followed by 2 upon 15. Let's see, 4 and 15, are they co-prime? Yes, they are co-prime. Why? Because 4 has factors 2 into 2 and 15 has factors 3 into 5, and there's no common factor. So use the butterfly method again. 1 times 15 is 15, and 2 times 4 is 8, and in the denominator 4 times 15 is 60. So the answer for the question 15 minus 8 is 7 upon 60. See, the answer can be obtained within no time, and that's what makes the students smarter. Let's see some more questions. These are two questions based on some statement problems based on fractions. So it might be addition, subtraction, or whatever. Let's see the first question here. So David ate 1/3 of the burger. What fraction of the burger he still has? So if a fraction of a whole is to be subtracted from the whole, the whole is always considered as 1. So originally the burger was 1, and 1/3 of it has been eaten by David. So what is left is 1 minus 1/3. And You just subtract the numerator from the denominator like this, 3 minus 1, and write the denominator as 3 itself. You will get the answer. 2/3 fraction of the burger is still left with David. So that is how you subtract a fraction, a part, a fraction from whole. Whole means 1. Okay. So let's see another one. Rakesh completed 1/8 of the project and Moksh completed 2/5 of it. What fraction of the project is still left? Okay, so there are two people who are trying to complete a project, and they have done a part of it. Like Rakesh has done 1/8 of the project and Moksh has done 2/5 of the project, right? So what fraction of the project is still left? See, the overall project, I told you the whole is always considered as 1. So one project was to be done. Out of that, 1/8 has been done by Rakesh. So subtract 1/8 and add 2/5 to that, because 2/5 has been done by Moksh. So if you subtract the sum of 1/8 and 2/5 from 1, you are going to get the part which is still left. So this is 1 minus, now use the butterfly method again, 5 plus 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 upon 8 5s are 40. See, I've added two fractions without writing anything in the rough work, and that's amazing, right? Not many students can do that. And likewise here also, 41 minus 20, that's 40. 40 minus 21 is 19, and divide that by 40, you get your answer. That means 19 by 40 fraction of the project is still left. See, I did not use any rough work. I did not use any traditional LCM methods to subtract the fractions, to add the fractions, and I got my answer in a flash. And that's what you need to do. Be aware of such amazing short tricks. Let's see the next questions. So there are two questions here in which there are more than two fractions to be handled. What should be subtracted from? So there is something to be subtracted from this, right? What should be subtracted from? Let's subtract x from that to get 4 by 15. So what do you do in such cases? For finding x, you take the sum of these two first. This is again butterfly method. 10 plus 9 is 19 and 5 3s are 15, and subtract this from the sum. So you will get what is to be subtracted from 2/3 plus 3/5 to get 4/15. So the value of x will be, obviously now the denominators are like denominators, so they are like fractions. So you don't need to do anything. Just uh, subtract the numerators, 19 minus 4, and take the denominator as 15. 19 minus 4 is 15, so 15 upon 15 becomes 1. So 1 is to be subtracted from 2/3 plus 3/5 to get 4 by 15. Likewise, if the question says what should be added to, then you need to take this first, 3.5, and subtract whatever is given in the bracket first, like this. So what should be added to 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 to get 3.5? 3.5 minus the sum of those three fractions. Okay, so we will find it like this. 3.5 is 7 by 2, right? And how do you add these three? Again, the butterfly method is going to work now. 3 plus 2, that's 5, and 2 3s are 6 and 1/5, right? So this is 7 by 2 minus 25 plus 6 is 31, and 6 5s are 30. Now if you convert that into a common denominator, this is into 15, right? 15 2s are 30, and this is into 15. So 15 7s are 105 minus 31 over 30, which gives me 74 upon 30, or you can reduce it to 37 upon 15, which is the answer for this particular question. So you should add 37 upon 15 to 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 to get 3.5. So friends, these are the questions which you need to be really smart to handle these questions. And obviously, you know, at class 6 level, you need to show all the steps. So be careful not to miss out on the steps, and use the short tricks only to check your answer at the school level. But at the competitive level, you can work out wonders. You can find the best suited answer, that is the correct option from among the given options by using the short tricks, because the steps are not expected to be written there. So friends, these are some of the questions which are included in the 60 questions practice worksheet, the link of which I have given in the description box below. Click that link, visit the website, download it and practice it at a stretch, so that you can assure yourself that even you have practiced enough number of questions to score full marks in your exams. And do share this video, do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon to get all the notifications. Thanks for watching this video.